Hi, Fred Harmon here. I'd like to talk to you about a problem with the 2001 through 2005 Honda Gold Wing ECMs, and that's the engine control module. That's what I have here in my hand. These ECMs have been failing the knock sensor modules in them pretty frequently. It seems like the older they get, the more they are failing. This will cause an FI light on your dash, and the fault code that it blinks out is 25 or 26, or sometimes both. This is usually an indication that the ECM is going bad. However, sometimes it can actually be a knock sensor that's gone bad. But my experience has been that most of the time it's actually the ECM that's at fault. So these are potted modules. So they're completely sealed. There's no easy way into them. With help from another forum member, we have figured out how to open these up, dig out the potting compound. We've located the components that are failing, and we've sourced them and learned how to replace them. So I am now offering that as a service for Gold Wing owners. A new ECM costs around $1,200 if you can even find one. I am repairing these for $300 on an exchange basis. So you can send me your old ECM and I will send you a repaired one. I'll put my email address here on the screen, and you can contact me via email, and I'll provide you all the details and shipping instructions on how to do this. This is a look at my little test bench. We've built a little tester to test these ECMs on the bench, and we can duplicate the fault codes. You can actually see the knock sensor signals there on the scope, what they look like. This ECM actually has a failure, and so if I stop this ECM from running, you'll see the little fault code light. I've got a little red LED down there. You'll see the little red light blink, 2 long blinks followed by 6 short blinks, and that indicates a left O2 sensor failure or left O2 circuit failure inside the ECM. So after I rebuild these, I put them on my test bench and I run them and I make sure they're good. Here's what a repaired one looks like after it's had surgery on it. Double bypass surgery is what I like to call it. I replaced both of the knock sensor modules and seal it back up, and I'll send it back to you. So that's just a look at the little test bench we have to test them with.